Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to send money internationally on Revolut. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video, and now let's get started. So you're going to open up your account and you're going to see this page. After that you're going to click transfers, then you're going to click add the new plus sign and add your recipient, but first of all, you're going to choose an option send internationals. So this is the best way to transfer money abroad. So you're going to choose international option. Then you're going to choose available country. So you're going to choose the country you want to send money to. And then basically you're going to choose transfer method. And that's basically it. You're going to enter the money you want to send and click send. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, so subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.